Hi guys, welcome back to Investor Prime TV. If you're new, this channel is a one-stop shop for anything investment really. So investment ideas, investment discussions, stock picks, etc. You know, which stock is going up, which stock is going down, the right time to buy, the right time to sell. Alright, so if you're new, make sure you hit that subscribe button and of course hit that notification bell so you don't miss any further uploads. Alright, so today's video, I'm going to share with you guys my live trading account portfolio. All right, because I want to be transparent with my subscribers and with you guys. And also, I'm on a journey. All right, I'm on the road to 100K in my trading account. And I want to help you guys in your journey. All right, whatever your goals are, whatever goals you've set for yourself to accomplish, I want to help you guys do that with my training material. All right, guys, as you can see, here's my live portfolio. I'm with Interactive Brokers. Okay, so right now my accounts are 5,400. The change for this month, I'm currently in profit of £1,935. Okay, so in dollars is probably about, I don't know, maybe about $2,800. All right, in profit for this month. Okay, so as I scroll down, you just see a couple of my positions, you know, top portfolio positions. So I've got AMD, Snap, Space, etc. All right, as you keep scrolling down, it just comes up news, as you would do if you've got an Interactive Brokers account. All right, so I'm currently on my mobile phone. Let's go into my portfolio. All right, so my portfolio right now, as you see, the NAV NLV is 5,400. All right, so these are all my positions. Okay, it says my total cash, this is Great British Pounds, is £7,800. Okay, and in USD dollars is 11,100 currently at. So guys, there you have it, my live trading account, the portfolio, etc. I'm on a road to 100K, currently at 11,000 at the moment. So I want to help you guys as well reach your goals and accomplish your goals. All right, so make sure you subscribe, join me on my journey, you know, and I promise you learn a thing or two, and over time, let's let our account balances grow. And also going forward, I'll be sharing with you my live trading account, you know, as I'm on this journey, and yourselves as you're on this journey, and any questions you have, comment below. I'll definitely be there to help you guys, you know. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And of course, if you're new, make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss any further uploads. All right. Thanks a lot, guys. I'll see you in the next video.